Okay, hello guys, so this is the Redmi 10C, and in this video I will show you how to flash a custom recovery and also custom ROM in this phone. Okay, in this video we're going to use the Nusantara OS Android 13, and I will also include a quick review about the ROM, okay, if it's good enough or not for the driver. All the steps and file that needed I will include it in my blog. You can check the link in the description box. Okay, make sure you follow all the steps correctly so there is no mistake while flashing the custom ROM. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello guys, assalamualaikum. We meet again with Om Bob. Okay, this time we have the Redmi 10C. On the previous video, I already showed you how to root this phone using a stock ROM, and now I'm going to show you how to flash a custom ROM on this one. Okay, as usual, let's check the exciting system. You can see right here, it's using the Android 11 on MIUI 13.0.5, and to enable the developer options, just hit the MIUI version 5 times. Okay, and make sure you have insert your MIUI account. Go to the additional settings and set up the unlock bootloader. Okay, the process will take about 7 days for this one. You cannot do instant unlock bootloader in this one for this time, so you have to wait 7 days, and after 7 days you can get your device unlocked. Okay, the process to unlock the phone I will not show in here, you can check on the previous video. Okay, the point is you must unlock bootloader phone to get the custom recovery and also the custom ROM. Okay, don't forget, remove all the emails and then turn off the phone because we want to go to the Fastboot mode. As usual, Fastboot mode can be accessed by pressing the volume down and the power button at the same time. And when you see the screen, a black screen with the Fastboot text, means that we are in the Fastboot mode. Okay, let's plug the USB cable. Okay, so this is the file that we needed, and this is the steps. Okay, I will provide both of them on my blog. The link I will put it in the description box. Okay, now let's open the PowerShell or CMD, and the first thing we want to do is boot into the custom recovery. Okay, so let's type fastboot space boot, and let's click and drag custom recovery, and the phone will start booting. Okay, so in this phone we cannot directly flash the custom recovery, so we have to boot it first, and after flashing the custom ROM we can make it permanently by flashing into the RAM disk. Okay. So let's switch again the screen. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to the wipe option as usual. Okay, let's go to the wipe and format data. Tap yes. Hit the home button, and it's quite straightforward. Okay, And after that, you need to install the custom ROM. Okay, now let's go to the install, find where you have saved your custom ROM. This video will using the Nusantara 5.1 Android 13, and it's already included the gaps. Okay, so let's swipe it. Okay, it will take times. Let's switch again. So basically we need this custom ROM and the custom recovery. Okay, so copy the file, all the file into the internal storage or the SD card. And we already done. Now let's go back and we need to make the custom recovery permanent. So go to the advanced, install recovery RAM disk, and find where you have your custom recovery. Okay, we're using the RP 3.6.1 and swipe it. Okay, and okay, I also forgot to tell you, before you flashing the ROM, it's always a good idea to backup the EFS and modem. Okay, I already backup the two files in the previous tutorial, so I don't need to backup again. But for you guys that doing the first time, it's always a good idea to backup the EFS and modem. If there's something wrong, you can always restore it. Okay, as usual, backup is quite straightforward. Go to the backup option, enable compression, select the EFS modem and swipe it. Okay, put it in the micro SD or your computer and you will find something like this. Okay, so sorry I forgot. And then let's reboot to recovery one more time, just to make sure that the custom recovery is permanent. Okay, let's select reboot and recovery. Okay, you don't need to do this, it's just to make sure that we already make it permanent. Okay. Okay, now I will change the brightness. Done. So we have a permanent custom recovery. Let's format the data one more time. Go to the wipe, format data, tap yes. And after this, we can hit the reboot system and wait. Okay. The Redmi 10C is for information. The Redmi 10C is using the Snapdragon with the 6nm. Okay, nice. Now you can see the Nusantara boot logo on this Xiaomi phone. Okay, I will skip this one. And now we are in the Android wizard. All you need to do is just hit next until it goes to the home screen. Okay, hello guys, so this is our Redmi 10C and now it's using the Nusantara OS Android 13. Okay, in this section I will try to make a quick review about the ROM. Is it good enough for the driver or not? Okay, just a quick review, not in depth. Okay. And let's go to settings and about phone. You can see right here Redmi 10C with the model names and Android 13. Okay, and here we go. This is the build number and we can check the details by hit the Android version. The Nusantara for the 10th Redmi 10C is using the Android 13 with the code name is Tidore. Okay, let's go back. And it's maintained by D-Blank. So all the credit goes to D-Blank. Thanks for the custom ROM. And you can see all the stuff in here. Okay, let's go back, and you can enable the developer option by hit the build number 5 times. Go back, and okay, system, let's go to the developer options and let's check the memory. You can see right here the total memory is 4 GB, and the average memory use on this ROM is 2.2 GB. Okay, so it's using the 57%, and it has free 1.7 GB. Okay, quite nice. And also you can check the memory used by the apps in here. Okay, let's go back again. What else? Maybe some of you guys want to know the storage. Let's open the storage, and you can see right here it's using the system apps 1.1 GB. Okay, and you can also see the display is changing using the new material, and it's always a good idea to change the animation. Let's go to the system developer options and let's change the animation so we will get a better experience. Okay, usually I change the animation scale under 0.5. okay, so you will feel more smooth. Here is the layout, very nice. We have a new material design, and it's also include a power button right here. As usual, you can change the menu, okay, the caffeine, color correction, and other stuff. Okay, you can put it in the quick access right here. Okay, now let's start testing. The first thing I want to check is the root beer. Okay, so we don't use mages, and here we go. The root beer read the ROM is rooted because of the SE Linux flag, but I think this is not a real problem. You can ignore this one because Samsung with the original ROM without the root and other stuff, they usually also have the SE Linux flag enabled, so this isn't a problem. Now let's open the safety net and run test. Pass. Okay, nice. So with the safety net status pass, you can always use the banking apps and hailing ride, sets Grab, Uber, Gojek, and other stuff. Okay, nice. And now let's check the email. Usually some of you guys will ask if the email is safe or not, and here we go. So we have both of our email and we're safe. Okay. You can also check in here that we're using Wi-Fi, so there's no problem with the Wi-Fi, and the SIM card also working. Okay, nice. So it's all working. And you can see right here I already installed several apps such as Google Maps, root beer, safety net, AIDA64, and other stuff, but we don't have any camera in this phone. And also we don't have gallery, so you have to install it manually. You can always use the open camera or the key cam. Okay, and the gallery, I usually use the gallery go. Okay, so I already have it in the SD card. So let's install open camera because we want to test the camera and the video recording. Okay, and also the gallery. using the gallery go. Okay, you can always install the two apps using the from the Play Store. Okay, let's take a picture. Let's move it in here and let's put it in here also. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture from the back camera and the front camera and also record the video, and I will show you the result. Okay. Okay, this is the result of the back camera, quite nice. And now I'm going to take a picture from the front camera. Okay, nice. Let's record the video. Hello guys, now I'm recording using the front camera. I will stop this one. Okay, and now let's record the video from the back camera. Okay, hello guys, now I'm recording from the back camera and let's stop this one. Okay, now I'm going to show you the result. Hey guys, so this is the result of the back camera, quite nice. And this is the front camera. And let's check the result from the video recording. Hello guys, now I'm recording using the front camera and let's stop this one. Hello guys, now I'm okay, nice. Okay, hello guys, now I'm recording from the back camera and let's stop this one. Okay, hello guys. Okay, so seems that all the function from the camera is working. You can take a picture and also record the video from the front and back camera. And the plus point is the sound is quite high. Okay, because sometimes in the on some of the custom ROM you will get a low voice while recording, but in this ROM we have a high voice. And now let's take another test. Let's open the map and I want to test GPS. Okay, seems it's working. It's on my precise location. Okay, for the direction I cannot test it because I have to bring the pawn into the street. Okay, so let's just open it. Okay, so the map is working. And okay, let's check the spec. Let's go to the CPU and here we go. It's using the Qualcomm 680 on 6nm. Nice. Now let's open the CPU throttle. Maybe some of you guys want to check the result. Okay, let's start testing. The CPU throttle is some kind of stress testing for the pawn, so you can check the performance. Okay. And usually we can notice that if it's stable or not when you're seeing the graph. Okay, if it's stable like this, it's quite good for gaming, and if it has a big DPS, it's also good for gaming. Okay, if it's volatile up and down, usually it isn't good for game. Okay, so you can see right here it's quite stable, and I think it is quite good for gaming. Okay. And if you want to have a better performance, you can always change the kernel to get a better DPS. Maybe I will test later. Okay, nice. Okay, now let's test the sound and video playback. Okay, now I'm going to open the YouTube and okay, let's play the sound. Okay, seems nice. We have a clear voice and video. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, I will change the brightness. Okay, nice. Sound and video is working perfectly. Okay, I think that's all. I'm not going to make a deep test on the custom ROM, just a quick review. Okay, so for the verdict, we have safe email and Wi-Fi, and we also have a working camera. You can record video and take a picture, and also it has a big sound. The GPS also working, sound and video playback is also working, and you also get the new update security patch. Okay, you can see right here, this is official and stable. Okay, the Android security update is October 5 2002. Okay, that's all guys. This is a video on how to customize your Redmi 10C using Nusantara OS Android 13, and also the quick review about the ROM. Okay, I hope it helps you guys, and I hope you like my video. If you find it very useful, please give it a thumb. And I also have lots of video about routing, custom ROM, and lots of fun. Okay, especially Xiaomi, Samsung, Realme, Asus, and other stuff. Okay, you can find in my video. Maybe some of the video will be useful for you. Okay guys, if you subscribe, it will make me excited to make a new video. And that's all. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wassalamualaikum.